That's not too bad. Okay, international fans, a little help here right now. Okay, Bob Cummins going to start off the scene with the... Uh-oh.
See? What was that?
Uh-oh. Tow track, just a little bit of support to the farmers and the environment. I don't know about the environment so much with the smoke, but here we go. Okay, John Deere fans, are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, from Bothell, here's Bill